In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use PowerPoint Live in Microsoft Teams to take your presentations to the next level. Maybe you're presenting to your colleagues, classmates, or even hosting a webinar. Whatever the case, PowerPoint Live in Teams is designed to make your presentations seamless, interactive, and engaging for every participant. This exciting feature brings together the familiarity of PowerPoint and the collaboration tools of Teams, creating a dynamic presentation environment. Let's jump in and explore step by step how to do this. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint. This might seem straightforward, but it's where your presentation's journey begins. Whether you're polishing a final draft or starting from scratch, opening PowerPoint is your first step towards a successful presentation in Teams. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to your file from the opening screen. If you've recently worked on the presentation, it should be listed under Recent Documents. If it's a new day and your presentation isn't immediately visible, click on Open and navigate to where your file is saved. This could be on your computer, in OneDrive, or another storage service you're using. Open the file to ensure everything is in order. This is a great time to make any last-minute tweaks or to rehearse your presentation one final time. With your PowerPoint ready to go, it's time to switch gears to Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and open Microsoft Teams. If you're not already signed in, do so with your Microsoft account credentials. Teams is where the magic of live presentation happens, offering tools and features that extend beyond what PowerPoint alone can offer. Now let's join a meeting in Teams. If you've scheduled the meeting ahead of time, you'll find it under the Calendar tab. Otherwise, you can join a meeting through a link provided by the meeting organizer. Once you find your meeting, click Join. As you enter the meeting, take a moment to ensure your camera and microphone settings are adjusted to your liking. It's critical to make sure you're seen and heard clearly. Moving on to the fun part, sharing your presentation. Look for the Share button located in the top right corner of the Teams interface. This opens up the Share tray, revealing various options for sharing content in the meeting. Your next click is going to bring your presentation to life. In the Share tray, navigate to the Window section. Here you'll see all the open windows on your computer. The reason we open our PowerPoint file beforehand is so it appears in this list, ready for us to share. Locate your PowerPoint presentation in the list and select it. This isn't just about sharing your screen, it's about inviting your audience into your presentation, making them part of the experience. Finally, it's time to click Share. And with that click, you embark on your presentation journey. As soon as you share your PowerPoint presentation, you'll notice that Teams has a feature called PowerPoint Live. This feature allows your participants to interact with your presentation in ways not possible in a traditional setting. They can navigate back to review previous slides without interrupting the flow of your presentation and use live captions and subtitles to follow along in their preferred language. One additional tip, while you're presenting, keep an eye on the chat and reactions in Teams. These features are great for engaging with your audience, answering questions, and getting feedback in real time. Being responsive and interactive makes your presentation more memorable and effective. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use PowerPoint Live in Microsoft Teams. With PowerPoint Live, your presentations can be more engaging and interactive, making it easier to connect with your audience no matter where they are. Remember, a great presentation is not just about sharing information, it's about creating an experience. By following these steps and utilizing the powerful combination of PowerPoint and Teams, you're well on your way to delivering presentations that inform, inspire, and impress. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Microsoft 365 experience.